Mwanchumu rigereria tuguska siasa roboti ronde mokonyi bumurai wikiama ya Jubilee oyiboigo okorige kirogo ky'obarai bwensa sobachori bore bosio Dr. Fred Matiang'I omochire gati abarai korwa serikali bakorwa n'umurai bwense hase okomochengia oyokabeire umurai bwense omokoro Uhuru Kenyatta aya ngobwatekana negati yechinkwana chiabarai abo bose chinkwana cho murai oyo mokoro hanyara kobaga kubwata ko chasa bwatani baya sinchira yesime chingake kyame kyo kyabwa musangerekano hasensemo ya Narok na kuboria banyara ko bagocha mono ko mubwata sia Matiang'I asobochori omwaka gocha 2027 muri kitolinet nyambane no roboti rwa senchiro bikira
ABARAI be kiama gya JUBILEE bamochirie ABARAI kurwa ase kiama kya UDA au batebire bakomochegia oyo kabeire umurai bwense boigo umurai bwe kiama gya JUBILEE Uhuru Kenyatta kubwatekana nenkwana yae akorete n'ababwatani bae chingaki ekiamekyo kyabwato musangiririkano ritkoria Jumamosi ase county ya Narok.
We will not even allow and encourage our members to use that kind of language against President William Ruto because it's indecent, it's unbecoming. We want to build a decent society and a society that upholds truly the principles of democracy and decency. The retired president makes one phone call and the government screams the whole weekend. What kind of people are these? And we are reading now the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, a public sector government agency, has told us clearly with data and statistics that 2/3 of the stories they have been telling us are just blatant lies.
Kama rais ameweza kustaafu, ni vizuri awache kwamba yule ambaye yupo afanye kazi yake inavyofaa, ili kuwe na umoja, kuwe na utangamano, na kama kuna mambo yote ambayo pengine yanatokea, basi kuna kuwa na mawasiliano. Na hilo ni jambo ambalo unaliona kabisa hata kule Marekani wakati rais amestaafu, anakwenda kufanya kazi nyingine. Na leo asubuhi nilikuwa namfikiria yule Jimmy Carter ambaye alikuwa ameishi miaka mingi zaidi, na alipoacha uongozi yeye alienda kushughulikia watu, akaenda kujengea watu manyumba, akaenda kufanya mambo ya kuleta amani, na akaishi miaka mingi kuliko rais yote. Hayo ndio mambo yanafaa kuwa wakati unapostaafu kuwa rais, na ndivyo mtiposa iwe ni kielelezo chema ambacho kipo katika jamii hii yetu ya Kenya.
Kukwana kurwa ase amagacho amanene yekiamekyo imeyomucho Nairobi ABARAI yabo bakoragwa no mokonyi bwe kiamekyo Fred Matiang'I niko batebire UDA nigo gyasinyirwa gukora egasi na kigekogera ababwatani bae bachakire kung'anya kurwa ase ekiamekyo.
On a weekend when senior members of your party are announcing that they will not defend their seats on your party's ticket, when it is clearly displayed to the world that you are a sinking ship, would you be spending your time insulting your predecessors? It's amazing. We want to ask these brothers and sisters of ours in government, there's work to be done, a lot of work to be done. Let's focus on that work and build our country. President Kenyatta is retired. He is a member of Jubilee. He's going to be a member of Jubilee and he's playing his role as a member and the leader of Jubilee. Leave him alone. Let him carry on with his businesses.
Ngana na mangana ya kwanete abantu aminto mwaro che weekend yebuna yaerete mwaro cha serikali ya William Ruto ekera igoreta abantu baje kuruororokoreta mangana yecheche na kuramu muske Uhuru Kenyatta totage tokotebiga muske Uhuru Kenyatta muske William Ruto ase serikali yaye abwate bonoiga abakenya babwato bokongu bonge sana amangana school fees capitation teigoso ase school amangana asha abantu aminto bakurwara basirira kinyagetari awao bataikonyora ukuwenye sengetu kibesa cyasha nchiyo ekegori kyitegeke a promise ti ari wota kwa chigasi bonoiga mbanya konyora chigasi enseye gebwato bokongu bonge sana na korengana nebirengererie ebyo itwairete nganko rokorare ngomo kyuyo erindegere koranga ebinte twakwanire bya myarire gushugulikiwa.
Asebono ABARAI yabo nigo bono baruro kuburia gocha ase ABARAI be kiama kya UDA gokorera abakenya emeremo.
And those elected leaders, I want to ask them, sisi tunawaheshimu, we are not going to walk down that hole of behaving like Precambrian people, insulting others for no apparent reason. tutawaheshimu, hatuwezi kuwatusi, lakini tafadhali, let's build a modern country. Kenya is a serious country. When you see the kind of arguments we're having, it's a joke.
Itotagete gotebia abantu amintasi bari engakie bono yaikire na intu n'abagusitu wenete wechoka erindegerege gwiko mwaka ondo 2027 tunyare kubiko burayi ubuya buranyare konya abagusi baito naende bakonye Kenya ngima.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omochio Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
My fellow Kenyans, when you